Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete Instagram account. First of all, let's open our Instagram app. Now we have to go to settings. To do it, you can simply tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Then now we have to tap on settings. So tap on here to go to account settings. Then scroll down and tap on delete account. Then tap on here delete account. Then you can simply confirm the request to delete your Instagram account. Then here you can select the reason why are you delete this account. Then here add your password and simply continue. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.